Hello, everyone, I'm Sujan Kumar from SK Design. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make accurate water drop shape in Illustrator. Let's start it.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it.
First you have to turn on grid view option from window menu. Then draw a circle into the box. Fit it between the box. Take line segment tool and draw a line from the intersecting point of circle. Select both shape and rotate them in 45-degree angle. Then draw another line like previous. Select all and take Shape Builder tool, make a water drop shape that. Congratulations, our design is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.